What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors, pearls and flakes, we shoot them over top to create cool new interesting colors, and then we decide do we love it or hate it. 1, we don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and rate it anywhere in between. Today we got 2 really cool colors, one that I haven't even sprayed on the channel yet. The first one is Satin Midnight Blue. Really cool color. That's going to go over the fender today. And the newcomer, Coral. It's like a medium pink. Kind of like, coral in the ocean or whatever. But yeah, it's going to be really interesting, especially when we throw probably our most popular solid pearl, yellow gold, over top of it and create a crazy cool new effect. And we're going to decide, do we love it, do we hate it? Like I said, I got my fender prepped up behind me and it's ready to be two-tone with these 2 Rustoleum colors. And then we'll get into spraying some Speedo coat with this yellow gold pearl and see if we can't create something awesome. So let's get into today's video. Guys, so we got our 2 cool Rustoleum colors laid out and we're ready for some pearl. Today we'll be using the Speedo Coat Clear. It mixes 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. I am using the medium because it's about 75-80 degrees outside. So I've got 4 ounces of clear, 1 ounce of activator in my mix right here, and we got yellow gold. Now what I'm going to do today is total I got 5 ounces of clear. I'm going to do about, this is a teaspoon right here, so I'm going to do about 1/4 of a teaspoon pearl mix. See if I can get it good. I don't want to overload it because this is a very vivid pearl. So I'm going to put that in the mix right there. Trying to get better with this stuff, guys. I know if some of you guys have seen past episodes, I've overloaded the crap out of the mix, so I'm trying not to. But as always, I got this yellow gold in the mix and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can check it out. Alright guys, so this is yellow gold. I'm sure if you've been following the channel long enough, you've seen this many a times. It is a very popular solid pearl for this channel. It looks great over pretty much any color. And today we're going to see what it looks like over midnight blue and coral pink. So let's get the gun loaded up and let's get to spraying some pearl. Alright guys, so I got my V-Bore gun loaded up today with this really cool yellow gold pearl. And we're going to spray it over this fender. I'm going to do a light coat first, and then probably 2 follow-up coats, just depending on what effect I get. And when I think we're ready, we'll take it outside. It's a 1.4 tip on this gun, and I'm shooting at 28 PSI. That is wide open trigger today. If you want to replicate my settings, I'm going to put my mask on, and let's get to spraying. spray out for today. Midnight blue and coral with a yellow gold pearl over top of it. Now, I think this is a very interesting color combination today. I tried not to overload the mix simply because I didn't want to wash out the midnight blue completely, and I wanted it to more so complement the coral color, which obviously you could go back and put another coat or two on it. But anyway, guys, it's not up to me. It's up to what you guys thought of today's video. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And yeah, drop me a like, drop me a comment. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And I had a lot of fun today, guys. I look forward to the next spray out. If you guys have any spray outs you'd like to see, Rustoleum colors and flakes and pearl combinations that we haven't done yet on the channel, please drop it in the comments. If you want to buy the pearls, the clear, anything you saw me use in today's video, links are in the description. As seen on YouTube, you click that link, it takes you to my Amazon storefront and you can purchase everything there. The channel gets a small kickback, but it doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and you get all the benefits, Amazon Prime and everything else. Well, had a lot of fun today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as well, and I look forward to the next spray out. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.